11 subtle signs she's waiting for you to make the first move. She's into you. I wish she would. Just that incomplete runs through our minds more than you realize, especially when we've already shifted our entire behavioral pad around some unspecific. We perfected the art of creating operas disguised as coincidence and giant moments that feel organic while being strategically dressed. The distance between her shoulder and yours during group conversations is trendum positioning. It's deliberately testing. Most men mistake our subtle invitation system for general families. Missing fact that Wedden invest this level of emotional real estate in people. We're not genuine. Why interested in these behavioraletics we make aren't accidental. They're sophisticated signals to gauge your awareness and responsiveness to male interest. Indicators. Welcome to Bond Chronicle, your go-to channel for our relatively vest on navigating the complexities of love and relationships. In today's video, we're diving deep into subtle signs that tell you she's waiting for you to make the first move. If you're trying to figure out whether she's in tow you've come to the right place. Stick around till the end for a bonus point that will completely hinge the way you look at her actions. Let's get into it. Number 1, she's eager to help you. What most men do wrong. They mistake a woman offering help is just friendly behavior. They see as her being kind or simply wanting to be nice without recognizing deeper intentions behind it. What to do instead? Pay close attention to how often she goes out of her way to assist you. Women don't invest this kind of off energy in just anyone. If she's consistently offering help, whether it's work-related or something personal, it's more than mere politeness. She remembers to ask if you need help with a projector, maybe even offers to make your life easier with little gestures. This isn't habit. She's subtly trying to deepen the connection between you, all while leaving you to pick up on spoken signals. Number 2, she can stop looking at you. What most men do wrong, they don't notice or they may a woman's gaze. Brushing it off is nothing more than casual glances. What to do instead? If her eyes repeatedly find you in a room, it's not chance. There's intention. Bend it. When a woman locks eyes with you and doesn't quickly look away, that's a clear sign of interest. And attraction. It's not just the casual eye contact. It's her gaze lingering just a bit longer. Then normal holding it, just launching now for you to notice. When she does this, it's a signal, a silent invitation for you to take the next step. This is your way of saying, I'm here. I'm interested. Makiamov. Number 3, she compliments. Yalfton. What most men do wrong. Many men brush off compliments from women thinking she's just being polite or offering a casual remark. They didn't realize it could be more than that. What do I do instead? Compliments from her are more than just surface alien interest. She's using them as her generally approach to express admiration with feverly making a move. She might compliment your style, your intelligence, or your work ethic and waste. That reflects she's noticing much more than just your outward appearance. Hench comments on things like your ambition or the way you handle challenges. It shows she values your attractor. This isn't something she does for just anyone. It's a subtle way to build deeper emotional rear. Number 4, she goes out of her way to talk to you. What most men do wrong. Men often ask them that if a woman talks to them, she's just being friendly. They forget that her behavior could indicate deeper interest, what to do instead. It's consistently in a test conversions, whether it's through text or in person. It's a sign that she wants to connect on a deeper level. She's always finding reasons to start a conversation, whether it's about something important or something trivial. She asks for your opinion on things that don't even concern her. Justin and keep the interaction going. 5th house. She values your thoughts and I invested in knowing more about you. It's not just a casual exchange. She's making a conscious effort to build a connection with you. Number 5, she responds to quickly. What most men do wrong. Men and women misinterpret a woman's fast responses as simple politeness. They may think she's just being courteous, materializing that quick reply a signal for interest. What Toto instead? Quick responses from her show eagerness, tone. Gauge. She's not responding out of obligation. She's sex to keep the conversation going. Whether it's through text or calls, she's not keeping y'all waiting. Her responses come quickly, and there's often a sense of enthusiasm. She's interested in what you have to say and she wants to keep the connection flowing. If she's always prompt in her replies, you can be sus making an effort to stay close emotionally and intellectually. Number 6. She likes all your social media posts. What most men do wrong. Some men mistake a woman's likes and comments on social media as just casual interaction or think she's simply being polite. What to do instead? If she's consistently engaging with everything you post, it's a sign she's genuine interest in your life and what you share. Every post you make, whether it's sire photo, video, or a thought she likes or comments on, this goes beyond a passive follow. It's active engagement. She's showing that she's paying attention to the details of your life. By liking your posts, she's sending message that she's invested in you and your world, which is a clear signal that she's into you. Number 7, she's always available to you. What most men do wrong. Many men mistake her constant availability as just part of her personality. They think it's normal for someone to always make time for them, not recognizing that her willingness to do so is a deeper sign of interest. What to do instead? Her ability to drop what she's doing directly to your texts are clear. Her schedule to be with you speaks volumes. This level of availability, and some off things she does for just anyone. When you reach out, whether it's through text or a casual invitation, she's quick to respond or just her plans. She's showing you that you matter enough for her to prioritize her time. She's not just being polite. She's genuinely interested in making space for you and her life. Number 8, she's curious about your personal life. What most men do wrong. Men often think that when a woman asks about their life, she's just being polite or making small talk. They don't realize how intentional these questions can be. What to do instead? When she's asking about your your childhood, or your personal experience, she's trying to understand you on a deeper level. She's not used to asking for surface-level details. She's curious about the stories that shaped you, Arit. Whether it's about your family, your childhood memories, or our future plans, she's trying to build a deeper connection. These questions are your way of saying, I'm invested in you, and she's waiting to see if you pen up. Number 9. And she remembers small details about you. What most men do wrong. Men underestimate the significance of a woman remembering things they've seen ago. They think it's just a coincidence or faux refuse. What do I do instead? When she brings up something you mention offhandedly, it's because she's been paying closely attention. She values the little things that make you unique. She calls your fight food, a trip you also mentioned, or even a book you like. It's not just about remembering facts. It's about her showing that she's emotionally invested in you. These small details are her way off telling you, I'm paying attention, and to carry. Number 10, she makes an effort with her appearance. What most men do wrong. Some men think she's just naturally stylish or that she dresses this way for anyone she sees. They miss deeper implication of her appearance choices. What to do instead? If she's putting extra effort into how she dresses when you're around, it's because she wants to impress you. Notice how she dresses up more when she knows she's going to see you. It's subtle. Beauty, it's a clear signal. She's making sure that she looks her best because she wants you to notice. Whether it's hair outfit, makeup, or even the way she sure herself fits. All part of her strategy. Number 11. She gets nervous around you. What most men do wrong. Most men think that nervousness is a bad sign, something they should avoid or be wary of. They miss the fact that nervousness is actually a physical reaction when Simeon is attracted to you. What do instead, nervousness in this case is a good thing. It's her way of showing that she's excited and a little bit anxious to impress you when she agits, laughs nervously, or looks down when speaking to you. It's not a sign of discomfort. It's her trying to hide her excitement and show that she's invested in the interaction, that her butterflies are an indication that feels something deeper and that she never be ignored. Donna's point. She finds excuses to be near you as a thank you for sticking with us till fiend. Here's a bonus point. If she's constantly creating a urge to be near you, whether it's sitting next to you in meetings, choosing to be close to you during group conversations, or even showing up at she knows you, she's likely waiting for you to take a next step. This isn't just coincidence. She's not just casually walking into your space or hanging around out of boredom. She's swear-streading these moments, positioning her soul in your presence. Tag your response. It's subtle, but it's telling you if she's going out of her way to be near you. She's not only signaling that she enjoys your company, but she's also testing to see if you'll notice and act in these moments. This is a clear sign that she's into you and simply waiting for you to take the lead. Don't miss it. This could be the opening you've been looking for. Let's quickly recap the 1-1 signs. 1. She's eager to help you. 2. She can't stop looking at you. 3. She compliments you often. 4. She goes out of her way to talk to you. 5. She spins to you quickly. 6. She likes all your social media posts. 7. She's always available to you. 8. She's curious about your personal life. 9. She remembers small details about you. 10. She makes an effort with her appearance. 11. She gets nervous around you. These subtle clues can completely hinge the way you interact with women. Pay attention to them and you might just see things in a whole new light. If you found this helpful, share this video with someone who could benefit from it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it useful, don't forget to subscribe and share it with a friend. We've also recommended a video for you on your screen right now.